I'm sure I can put this TV together easily. Hang on. That doesn't look like a TV. What? Did I make a robot girl? But how am I supposed to watch football now? No, I don't want to wake up. Shut up, alarm. Take that. But robots have an alarm function set by default. What? Again? How do I turn it off? Hands off! Whoops! Phew! And now back to sleep. Good morning! Hello! I'll watch the news. Oh man! My phone died! I have all the essentials! This charger won't work. I have a different phone. I'm an improved model. Pick the charger you need. Attach a connector to a press-on nail. Add a microchip drawing. Use different connectors. It works! My phone is charging! Thanks! Mom! Dad! Hi! Yeah, I met a great girl! You're gonna love her! Follow me, little one! Nice job! What? Oh! I'm gonna clean up! Our place has to be spotless! Did she actually clean up toast from the toaster? I need to throw this away! Hi, Freddy! Where was I? What's wrong with the light? What's this? I activated my built-in lighting! Wow! This is so useful! I like it! I'll read it out loud! Listen, this is my favorite Shakespeare sonnet! You're right! He eats too much! Oh, that's Freddy! What if he heard all of that? That's awkward! She's talking to the fridge again! Oh, gadgets! I'm all red! Good thing I have built-in face powder! Attach a primed makeup palette to foam paper. Create a microchip pattern. Color with acrylic paint. Connect the edges with Velcro. Make 2 sleeves. I'll fix my makeup. Bye, Fridgie! You are very pale. I need to check if everything's okay. Humans don't understand us at all. The first safety rule is to always wear protective glasses. Protective glasses! Wow! This is a nut. You can't crack it with your hands, so we have to use a hammer. 1 hit and it's done. I see. 1 hit and it's done. Whoops! My brand new phone! Oh no! I missed! Sorry! I wanted to crack the nut. Whoa! I can crack it with my hand! I need to cook! A microwave! A coffee machine! This will do! It's for Freddy! Thanks! Don't peek! Surprise! What happened here?
Huh?
Freddy, try this! I cooked it by myself! Melt chocolate. Pour it in a screw-shaped mold. Coat the hardened chocolate pieces with edible pearl dust. Make a few screws and nuts. Put them in a gift box. Sorry, I'm not hungry. Just a bite. Mmm, this is delicious. I like it. Thanks. He liked it. Yay! We're running late. Hurry up. Hey, can you hear me? What's wrong with you? Did your battery die? Oh no! Her heart isn't beating anymore! Cut a heart out of styrofoam. Coat it with acrylic paint. Decorate it with gears and cogs. Add a chain. Let's see what the manual says. I'll fix you! Yeah! No! I'll have to call the hotline. Did you call a technician? Please help! I did everything I could! Don't worry and trust me. I'm a professional. Half-inch wrench, pliers, screwdriver, the other one. I'm almost done. Ready! Ready! Thank you. Anytime. Hi! Oh! There was a spark between us. Even cutting-edge robots can have their batteries die sometimes. Oh, what's wrong with you? Her battery died. Looks like you need a bigger energy charge than I do. Paint a Coke can silver. Draw and color segments following a template so it looks like a battery. Here! It worked! And I'll finish whatever's left. I need to clean up over here, right now! Turns out soda works wonders with robots. Mission complete! I wanted to ask you, whoa! When did you do that? Nice job! You're amazing! I love these chips! Freddy, that is junk food! Give it to me! You can't eat that! Time to test my new game controller. Turn. Sit. Open chips and feed me! Nice! I like it! How can you mix up an extension cord with a splitter? Sure, boss. Let me take a look. Oh! Uh-oh! The internet is out! Oh! Kelly! Hi! Please share some internet! Sure! Whoa! So high speed! Hello? I'm back on! Freddy, you are not the only one! I like you! And you?
What?
I can't take my eyes off you! Beautiful! Oh yeah? Take that! Ah! Why? That's gonna teach you a lesson about liking other girls! You got it all wrong! What? Is that an engagement ring? Will you marry me? Of course I will! Oh, Freddy! Yeah, oh man! The update launched! I wonder how long it's gonna take! Should I reboot her somehow? Freddy! Kelly! You are not a robot anymore! You are real! That's the power of love! Did you like our video? Then comment below if you'd like to see the continuation of this story. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious videos from Troom.